Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, yeah, I was out Friday, was hoping to take a nice, quiet summer Friday off and go do some things, and we end up with, a V up day after a violent down day on Thursday. So, I mean, what you're seeing here on the daily chart is basically that's a V. If you look at it at any other time frame, it's a V and a very ugly V. And this is what we've seen. We see this move, late Thursday night into basically the lower band, and it gets bought a little bit and a little bit more. And what you see from the bears is an inability to hold on to anything, an inability to show conviction. And once they concede the first 5 or 6 points, then it's pretty much it's pretty much a done deal. They're going to concede the first 10 handles. Then at 10 handles, things start to unravel and get ugly. You get back over the middle band, around 60 to 62, and, you were off to the races and, all the way up to 74.25. At this point, the bulls are back in absolute control of this tape. The only way this tape gets reversed is if the bears can do a very hard reversal today. Otherwise, this is really the bulls have the ball. It's their ball to drop. It's their tape to blow. We should go ahead and take out the 78.25. We should go ahead and do a move up to the upper band, up to 83 to 86. The Bollinger Bands are tight enough now. They're at 2.04 bandwidth that should produce an upper band ride of 2 to 3 days, absent some kind of news-related negative reversal. And, I mean, we've had that lately. And there are still plenty of problems in this world. The Bears have you've seen a little bit of selling in the overnight, but, we did a 71.5 high, low 65, so it's been down as much as 6 handles. But after a day like Friday, you would expect a little bit of a give back. Just like after a day like Thursday, you would expect a little bit of a bounce. The difference between the Bears and the Bulls is that little bit of a bounce on Thursday night into Friday morning got completely taken out of hand. The Bulls ran with it and ran all the way. When the shoe's on the other foot and the Bears do a little bit of a pullback like we've done in the Globex last night, about six handles or so, typically during the morning here, after we get into the regular trading hours, you'll see the dip buyers come in. They will buy, they'll show conviction, and they'll run it back up to highs. The Bulls step in. The Bears do not step in. The Bears head for the hills. The Bulls step in. That's why you've seen this. And if you can boil this down in trading terms as to why it looks like this, that's generally what it's going to produce. A 45-degree uptrend, for in excess of, we're going on 2 years now. So I will be watching middle band today down at 62.61. Initially I'll be watching the 66 area, and we'll see where our proprietary levels come out in the room, and seeing where we're going to get that pullback, that further pullback this morning, see where the dip buyers come in, see if they can hold them. I am long. I was long Thursday night. I added to that on the push lower late Thursday and the early Friday Globex. I sold some of that in the high 60s on Friday. I'm holding the rest, and my intention is to hold it into an upper band test unless we see a fairly sharp reversal. So that's my plan. Everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check us out. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. We'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.